Hello guys, this is Mateo from Architects3D Printing, and I'm making this quick blog just to inform you about the progress and news in the channel. And also to say thanks to all of you for being there and making this project possible. Without you, this channel wouldn't be what it is. It simply wouldn't exist. We started this YouTube channel back in January, and also we started a Twitter and Instagram account, and a bit later we opened our Patreon page. All of them had 0 subscribers, followers, etc. And along these 4 months it has changed a lot. A short time ago, we received an email from YouTube with a cool congrats animation for passing 100 subscribers. I wanted to make a video since then, but I couldn't do it until now. We are so happy about the growth of the channel, since in 4 months we got, at the time I'm recording this video, 189 subscribers on YouTube, with more than 9,000 views and more than 19,000 minutes viewed. These numbers make us so happy, and even more if we add our growth on Instagram, where we passed from 0 followers on January to 2,120 followers right now. We have more news, and is that we recently created and launched our webpage that you can visit at architects3dp.com. And we also have more news related with social networks. Since we have created more pages and profiles, now we are on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Tumblr and Patreon. And you can find us in all of them at Architects3DP. We also got a recent achievement in our Patreon page, and it's that we got our first Patreon supporter. His name is Hayder Jawad, and we want to say thank you one more time for giving us this opportunity. Okay, so that was more or less everything I wanted to announce in this quick vlog. I will link you all the accounts down in the description, so you can follow us if you want. To finish, I just wanted to say thanks to all of you one more time for making this possible. And as always, see you guys in the next video.